Hey GeoSnappers, welcome back to another video. Have you ever noticed that places like the coast of BC with really detailed edges can often appear messy on your map? Look at how much nicer this looks. In this video, I'm going to show you a cartography trick so that you can take a map that looks like this and make it look like this. Let's go to ArcGIS Pro. So here I've got my polygon feature class from the ArcGIS Living Atlas, where each province and territory is its own polygon. To begin the process, I'm going to come over here to my geoprocessing pane and open up the Dissolve tool. I'll use the layer as my input, give it a name, and click Run. Okay, we'll need that one for later. Next, I'm going to go back and open up the Polygon to Line tool. I'll use the original layer as the input, adjust the name, and click Run. So if I turn these layers off, we can see that now I have a line feature class showing all the borders, the internal borders, and the coastline. Next, this is where the magic happens. I'm going to come over here and open up the Select by Location tool. I'll use the lines as the input, the dissolved layer for the selecting features, but the relationship needs to be shares a line segment with. If I click Run now, we can see that everywhere the dissolved layer shares a line with the line layer is selected, which is the coastline. If we invert the selection and click Run, we're left with just the internal borders. Finally, I can make a new layer based on my previous selection and then give it a name. From here, I can clear my selection, turn off the line layer, turn on the dissolved layer, and adjust the symbology, getting rid of the stroke around the edge. And we're left with this nice clean map showing just the internal borders without the coastline. And that's how you can remove the outside edge of a polygon layer, but keep the internal borders. This is just one example of so many things you can do in ArcGIS Pro when making beautiful maps. If you ever make a beautiful map and you want to publish it online, share it with us by tagging us on LinkedIn or Instagram. For more GIS related tips and tricks, subscribe to this YouTube channel. As always, thanks for watching. Happy mapping.